Applying the rotational model of learning with whiteboard painted walls. Are you looking for a new teaching strategy using whiteboard paint that will boost your students' learning outcomes? The rotational model may be what you're after. In this video, we'll explore the rotational learning model and how whiteboard paint can be a valuable tool for this approach. The rotational model is a powerful form of blended learning. Blended learning merges digital self-timed learning with face-to-face classroom instruction. In the rotational approach, students alternate between courses or subject areas and among various modes of learning. The rotational process can occur on a fixed schedule or according to the teacher's preference. For instance, the sequence might look like this. Group 1, self-study, work on individual assignments at students' desks. Group 2, online learning or seminar. Group 3, small group teaching. Group 4, whole class discussion. Benefits of using the rotational model of learning include unique learning experiences in each rotation and a mix of collaborative and independent study. It also engages students more effectively, allows self-paced learning, and improves overall learning outcomes. Ready to enhance learning with whiteboard, painted walls, and the rotational model? Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.